all set, ready to race. And the race on, bahala na. From the outside rushing up is Diamond Quest. It's Diamond Quest, followed by one Bahamas in second, blowing hot, racing from the outside. Laveropol is racing import by the rallies. Let's reconcile. Banay, Banay, bahala na. Matini Idol and Gold Asian. Three runners fighting around for the lead. Moving up is blowing hot. One Bahamas Bilateral in the middle is Diamond Quest. Laveropol is racing import from the outside. Bilateral is Banay Banay. Matini Idol and Bahalana is racing Bilateral is Let's Reconcile. Blowing hot, one Bahamas. Laveropol is racing from the outside, taking the second spot. Rounding the far turn, blowing hot by Onia linking up. Laveropol is racing from the outside as they race the final corner. Laveropol is now the leader. Blowing hot, Danori inside, one Bahamas. And Diamond Quest, Danori inside is Bahalana. And nearing the finish line, number 10, Laveropol, racing away now by some 5 lengths, followed by one Bahamas, and finally another win from the stable of Mr. Puts Puyat. Laveropol second, one Bahamas, Let's Reconcile, Bahalana, Banay Banay, 10-8 Biodata, and Matini Idol.